In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to factory reset a Sonos player. Hello and welcome to our channel all about home electronics. The soundbar you see on your screen right now, it is the Sonos Beam. The steps that we're going to demonstrate for factory resetting your Sonos player will work with Sonos One, Play 5 Generation 2, Boost, Bridge, Sub, Play Bass, and of course the Beam. At the end of the video, we're going to show you how to reset the other players. Play 1, Play 3, Play 5 Generation 1, Connect Amp, and Play Bar. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, please press the free subscription button located at the bottom right of your screen. That way, anytime we publish new tips in the future, you'll automatically be notified. We're going to begin right after this. Before you attempt this, please understand that by factory resetting your Sonos device, you're going to remove everything that you put into it. So if you signed up and registered your email and streaming accounts, etc., they're all going to disappear. You can't restore it. You have to start over from scratch like the unit was just taken out of the box. Unplug your Sonos device from the electrical receptacle. Now we're looking at the back of the Sonos Beam. In our example, locate the connect button. Now depress and hold the connect button in and don't let go. You're going to hear a soft and feel a gentle click. Now, with the button fully depressed, go ahead and plug your Sonos device back into the electrical receptacle. Keep holding the button fully depressed until the light flashes amber and green. We mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you have a Play 1, Play 3, Play 5 Gen 1, Connect Amp, or Play Bar, what you want to do is press and hold the pause play button until the light flashes green. That wraps up this video, how to factory reset your Sonos player. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below the video. Here are a few video links we hope you might find useful. If you liked this video or it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe free to our channel.